see the fifth part of question number 4. In question number 4, fifth part, the area of the rectangle gets reduced by 9 square unit if its length is reduced by 5 units and breadth is increased by 3 units. If we increase the length by 3 units and the breadth by 2 units, the area increases by 67 square units. Find the dimension of the rectangle. Children, in the question it's given there are two conditions. In first condition it is given if we reduce 5 unit in length and increase 3 units in breadth, the area is reduced by 9. Okay. In second condition, if we increase 3 units in length and increase 2 units in breadth also, the area is also increasing by 67 unit. Okay. We need to find the dimensions of the rectangle. Dimensions of the rectangle, we know that length and breadth. So to find this length and breadth, we have to let something. So let the length of the rectangle be x. Okay. And similarly, let the breadth of the rectangle be y. And area of rectangle, we know that area of rectangle is length into breadth. So length we have assumed x and breadth we have assumed as y. So the area will be x into y means xy. Okay, that is area of rectangle. Now come to first condition. First condition says if its length is reduced by 5 units, we have assumed length as x. So reduce 5 units from x, so x minus 5, and breadth is increased by 3 units. So breadth we have assumed y, and we add this 3 units in breadth means y plus 3 in second bracket, and we multiply this length and in this breadth, this will be area. According to the first condition, area is reduced by 9 square unit. So area we have over here xy minus 9, because 9 is reduced from the area of rectangle. So xy minus 9. Now simplify it, remove the brackets in left hand side. So x is multiplied with this y, so x multiplies 3 also. So x is multiplied this y, so xy plus 3 into x is 3x, and now minus 5 is multiplied with this y and minus 5 is multiplied with this 3. So minus 5 into y is minus 5y, and minus 5 into 3 is minus 15. Is equal to xy minus 9. Now from both the sides it can be seen xy, and this transposing this xy from right side to left side, it will be negative minus xy plus 3x as such minus 5y, copy as such, and just transpose this minus 15 to other side. So it will be minus 15 when we transpose to other side, so minus sign will be changed, plus 15. Now in next step, xy minus xy, they are cancelled. Now what is left? 3x minus 5y is equal to 15 minus 9 is 6. That is equation number 1. Okay. By the second condition, question says in second condition, if we increase the length by 3 units means x added with this 3, and breadth also increases by 2 units. Breadth we have assumed y, and we add 2, that is length into breadth, that is area, is equal to area is also increases by 67 square unit from the first condition. So area over here xy and xy plus 67. Okay, it is by second condition. On the same pattern we simplify this equation also. So x is multiplied by this y, xy, and x is multiplied with this 2x plus 3y plus 6 is equal to xy plus 67. Now xy from both the sides will be cancelled. Okay, so remaining are 2x plus 3y is equal to 67. We transpose this 6 to other side. It will be minus 6. So 67 minus 6 is 61. That is equation number 2. Now we have two equations, first and second equations. By first and second equation, you solve these two equations by any method. I hope you can do very well. Any convenient method can be applied to find the value of x and y. Okay, I hope you can do. That's all.